Hi everyone, welcome back to Earn and Grow PH. My name is Mike. In today's video I will share you about what is blockchain technology that powers cryptocurrency and how it works. And don't forget to hit subscribe, like button, and bell notification. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain is a method of recording information that makes it impossible or difficult for the system to be changed, hacked, or manipulated. A blockchain is a distributed ledger that duplicates and distributes transactions across the network of computers participating in the blockchain. Blockchain technology is a structure that stores transactional records, also known as the block, of the public in several databases, known as the chain, in a network connected through peer-to-peer nodes. Typically, this storage is referred to as a digital ledger. Every transaction in this ledger is authorized by the digital signature of the owner, which authenticates the transaction and safeguards it from tampering. Hence, the information the digital ledger contains is highly secure. In simpler words, the digital ledger is like a Google spreadsheet shared among numerous computers in a network, in which the transactional records are stored based on actual purchases. The fascinating angle is that anybody can see the data, but they can't corrupt it. What are the features of blockchain technology? Blockchain technology has the following main features. 1. Decentralization. Decentralization in blockchain refers to transferring control and decision-making from a centralized entity, individual, organization, or group to a distributed network. Decentralized blockchain networks use transparency to reduce the need for trust among participants. These networks also deter participants from exerting authority or control over one another in ways that degrade the functionality of the network. 2. Immutability. Immutability means something cannot be changed or altered. No participant can tamper with a transaction once someone has recorded it to the shared ledger. If a transaction record includes an error, you must add a new transaction to reverse the mistake, and both transactions are visible to the network. 3. Consensus. A blockchain system establishes rules about participant consent for recording transactions. You can record new transactions only when the majority of participants in the network give their consent. What are the key components of blockchain technology? Blockchain architecture has the following main components. 1. A distributed ledger. A distributed ledger is the shared database in the blockchain network that stores the transactions, such as a shared file that everyone in the team can edit. In most shared text editors, anyone with editing rights can delete the entire file. However, distributed ledger technologies have strict rules about who can edit and how to edit. You cannot delete entries once they have been recorded. 2. Public key cryptography. Public key cryptography is a security feature to uniquely identify participants in the blockchain network. This mechanism generates two sets of keys for network members. One key is a public key that is common to everyone in the network. The other is a private key that is unique to every member. The private and public keys work together to unlock the data in the ledger. For example, Alice and Bob are two members of the network. Alice records a transaction that is encrypted with her private key. Bob can decrypt it with his public key. This way, Bob is confident that Alice made the transaction. Bob's public key wouldn't have worked if Alice's private key had been tampered with. Blockchain is a combination of three leading technologies: cryptographic keys, a peer-to-peer network containing a shared ledger, a means of computing, to store the transactions and records of the network. Cryptography keys consist of two keys, private key and public key. These keys help in performing successful transactions between two parties. Each individual has these two keys, which they use to produce a secure digital identity reference. This secured identity is the most important aspect of blockchain technology. In the world of cryptocurrency, this identity is referred to as digital signature and is used for authorizing and controlling transactions. The digital signature is merged with the peer-to-peer network. A large number of individuals who act as authorities use the digital signature in order to reach a consensus on transactions, among other issues. When they authorize a deal, it is certified by a mathematical verification, which results in a successful secured transaction between the two network-connected parties. So to sum it up, blockchain users employ cryptography keys to perform different types of digital interactions over the peer-to-peer network. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope to see you next time.